What is going on, you guys? It's your girl Ty Imani and welcome back to Live with Ty. Alright, you guys, so today is Monday, March 1st. It's my movie. Mwah. Today marks 1 month that my baby is 1 month old. I woke up this morning feeling very different. I can't really pinpoint exactly what that different is at this moment. But I woke up with something on my spirit telling me that I'm gonna do my 1 month photo shoots with my boo, but after that, for the remainder of the month, the remainder of the 29 days in this month, I'm going 30 days of this month, I am going on a 30-day cleanse of social media. So I'm not about to be on Instagram, I'm not about to be on Twitter, I'm not about to be on Snapchat, I'm not about to be on Facebook. However, I will be posting on YouTube. So I told myself, because it's been a minute since you guys actually seen like a regular vlog of just me. And I need to start to get back in the habit of that. So I told myself this month I'm gonna vlog all month long, and I am going to try to put out at least 2 videos, at least 2. And yeah, so the only social media platform that I'm going to be using is YouTube, and that's just going to be vlogging, I guess, what I'm going to be doing during my cleanse for this month. I'm going to be journaling again. I'm going to start reading again. I'm actually going to read a book that I already read in the summertime, but I'm just going to reread it just so I can get that momentum going and get my mind, body, and spirit right and in line once again. And I'm going to start to do things at least once a week that I really want to do. So it's been like, I want to say a month or a month and a half that I've been thinking about this Starbucks Frappuccino. So guess what? Your girl is about to get her Starbucks Frappuccino today. It's just going to happen. I'm just going to do what it is that I want to do because I'm always kind of living in the glass is half empty type of mentality, and I just need to start to just let loose, exhale, and just let life flow how it flows, and just go along with the ride instead of trying to control the ride. So I said to D, let's just take a ride, because I've been in the house, I'm not going anywhere, I don't really feel comfortable going anywhere, especially with the newborn. So I just was like, it's the first of the month, it's Whoopi's 1 month old birthday, and we're gonna take a ride. I have a specific destination in mind. He doesn't know about it, but we about to take this ride and just enjoy the rest of the day today, and we gonna go from here. So you guys will see where I'm headed to next. Yeah, I don't really have an agenda for like this vlog or any of these vlogs that I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be turning on the camera, or whatever happens, that real authentic-ish, you feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna go put on my shoes, and I'll be right back. This is my fit for the day today. I need to get a new mirror because this is too small. I want like a nice mirror that's like the size of this or right here, but this is my fit today. I got me some no cute sneakers on, some leggings, this hoodie, hair up, and I'm wearing this body slimmer thing. I'm gonna make a video about this and where I got it and the results that I'm seeing with it. It hasn't been too long since I've been wearing it, so I'll probably make that video in a couple days to see. But yeah, let's go. First time I saw your face, I would fall so deep in love. Glad you like and be replaced. Alright guys, guys, so we're in the car now. ID just had to go inside to get his baby bag, and we're about to just take a drive. And yeah, so y'all gonna come with us. Zay, let's say hey.
Hi. Hey, I would've. My bad.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
You look squished.
I look squished.
I'm vlogging today.
Okay. For your channel or for Flame channel?
My channel. Alright guys, let's go. But I was telling my beloved supporters, that's what I'm gonna call them, beloveds, yeah. But that I'm going to be vlogging. I'm gonna try to vlog every day, and I want to post at least twice this month on my channel. If we can do twice on my channel, twice on the family channel, that would be great. So you guys, we made it to the city. We in Baltimore or whatever. We in Baltimore or whatever. As soon as you hit the city, people don't know how to drive. I really don't even like coming out here because I don't like driving in any city, period. But I have this place in mind that I want to go eat. Hadid was mentioning some other place, but I don't think I want that. Not right now.
Where is that coast?
How you know?
Because we in Baltimore and you talking about something. I don't eat that heavy. Oh my God, she wants some coast.
Oh, it's so bumpy. But yeah, you guys, we are about to go to Cozy.
You gonna get to a double chicken bowl? I've never met anybody that loved Cozy so much in my life.
Okay, so where is this at?
This Cozy.
Okay, it says like it's over here, but like, is it over there?
It's probably on the left side in that building.
In the building.
Yo.
But yeah, guys, about to go to Cozy. It's been some years since I've had Cozy because they freaking took it away from my freaking where I live at. Like the one thing that I really be wanting, they took it away from me. So now the only place that they have, it's getting hot. Now the only place that they have it is, did I turn here or the next street?
Charles Street, right here.
The only place that they have it is in Baltimore or DC, and like they changed their hours from like 7 to 4, so they close a lot earlier than, oh, they are about to leave. I feel like we should do, like on the first of every month, we should order out. That should be our one day that we order out for like Samir's 1 month.
Okay.
So that's what I want to do. That's what we're gonna do today. Alright, you guys, so I'm in the city and I'm about to go in here to get some Cozy. Got my mask on. I didn't know it was inside this building. I thought it was like on the outside, but I've never been to this one. What is this sign? It has a sign on the door. I don't know what it says. Dang. Use the entrance on Pratt Street. Where is Pratt Street? I'm about to ask City. Found it. Pratt Street. Alright, you guys, so I just ordered the food. I'm excited to get it. This is what it looks like in here. It looks so nice. I remember back in the day when I used to package up these brownies. I ordered me a double chicken bowl. It is so good. You guys are gonna see what it looks like. I got 2 chicken TBM melts, one for me, one for Hadi, Zayla a kids cheese pizza, and Hadi a mini chicken parmesan melt. So I'm probably gonna get some chips to go with it, or like a brownie or something, and then I'm gonna make a stop to go to Starbucks so I can get my caramel frappe, and that is gonna be it. That's gonna be my exercise for today. Ooh, you guys, your girl done got the food. I don't know where Hadi is. He said he was to the right, but yeah, so we're about to head home, get this food together, do Zamir's 1 month pictures, and yeah, that's how the day for today is gonna go. I'm feeling very like relaxed and just content, and I'm just gonna see what the rest of this month brings me during my social media cleanse and self-observation, and you know, just getting back to knowing me, you know.
Are you about to edit something together?
Boo boo.
His feet so soft. Ain't they?
Mm-hmm. Boo boo. You wanna take some pictures? Wanna take some more pictures?
What's up, Mom? Yeah, what's up? Nothing. I was about to say, you know, you ever seen before I pay?
What are you doing, little girl?
Mommy, Tanzine.
What are you doing?
Tanzine, I'm tired. Dean.
I've been back home.
Hi, guys.
Excuse me, I'm not buttoning this up because this gets in the way every time I have to breastfeed him, and I need to, you know, easy access. Just put it down, put it back up, put it down, put it back up. So, yeah, we just took his pictures, and I ate the food so fast that I didn't even get to like turn back on the camera. Plus it was charging and I forgot to even get it when I was eating. The food was bomb, you guys. I took some pictures, so I'm gonna insert them here. So yeah, guys, that is what I have for Kosi. The double chicken bowl didn't hit as good as it did back like 5-6 years ago when I used to work there.
That's like a
Come over here, boo. Come on mommy's lap. Ooh. So but yeah, we just took his pictures. You know, I'm not gonna do too much because he's sleepy and I'm not trying to bother him, and I'm really tired after eating that food too, so I'm trying to take a nap while he's napping. But I think that's it for the vlog today. What do you think? Let me see your eye.
I think it's good.
You think it was good today?
Yeah.
Do you think mommy should try to make a video every day, or no?
No.
You don't think I should make a video every day?
Yeah.
I should?
Yeah.
Are you gonna make one with me?
Yeah.
So what is the video gonna be about tomorrow? We don't know yet.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have to wait and see.
Okay.
You wanna close it out for me? All right, go ahead.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace. Subscribe in our channel and subscribe in our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. Good job. Give me kisses. Mwah. I love you.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.
Peace.
Move down there. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.